How to set reminders in Microsoft To-Do List. So, tired of forgetting deadlines or birthdays? Microsoft To-Do List reminders will keep you ahead of schedule without a panic or rush. Open Microsoft To-Do List on app or web and create on any task. Here you can see the option of due date important. You can start it, and here you can even add a notification, remind me later today at 12 or tomorrow next week. Pick a date or time when you want it. So let me do it like tomorrow. This when is the due date. You can add from the calendar, select from the calendar itself. The event is very important or the assignment is very important. If you start it, it will be easier for you to filter it out.